Hello children, welcome to the E-class standard 7 subject gender knowledge. Let us see the lessons one by one. Lesson number 1, the world we live in. Let us see the answers. 1. The percentage of the earth covered by the Pacific Ocean is 33%. Asia and Europe forming one landmass are called Eurasia. The largest continent is Asia. 4. The water surface of the earth is called hydrosphere. 5. The land surface of the earth is called lithosphere. 6. The shape of the earth on which we live is spherical. 7. The layer of the atmosphere just above the earth is called troposphere. 8. All weather changes take place in the troposphere. 9. The earth has a mean radius of about 6,400 kilometers. 10. The outermost layer of the earth's structure is called crust. 11. The percentage of nitrogen present in the earth's atmosphere is 78%. 12. The percentage of oxygen present in the earth's atmosphere is 21%. 13. The peak of which mountain is farthest from the center of the earth? Chimborazo. Now, lesson number 2, some leading countries. True or false? Japan. A1. Japan is the easternmost country of the world. True. 2. Tokyo, the capital of Japan, lies in the island of Shikoku. False. 3. The archipelago of Japan consists of 6,852 islands. True. Number 4. There is an active volcano at the top of Fujiyama. False. Number 5. The Japanese mostly wear cotton clothes. False. 6. Yokohama is a major port of Japan. True. 7. Japan lies in the warm temperate region of the world. True. 8. Honshu is the most important of all the islands which make up Japan. True. 9. Wheat is the chief food crop of Japan. False. 10. Tokyo is an industrial city. True. Next, B. Put a tick mark next to each correct answer. 1. The chief religion of Japan is Buddhism. 2. The percentage of arable land is in Japan is 15%. 3. Japan annexed Korea in the year 1910. 4. Japan became a member of the UN in 1956. 5. The national flag of Japan is the rising sun on the background of white. 6. On which day did the Japanese forces surrender to mark the end of World War II in 1945? August 15. Next, C. Fill in the blanks with the suitable words from the box. The Sea of Japan separates Japan from the mainland of Asia. 2. Honshu is one of the dash big islands of Japan. 4. 3. The highest mountain in Japan is Fujiyama. 4. Dash is the warm ocean current flowing along the coast of Japan. Kuroshio. Number 5. Dash is an industrial center. Kobe. 6. The Japanese wear long gowns called kimonos, rather kimonos. 7. The Japanese mainly follow two religions, Buddhism and Shintoism. 8. The last emperor of the Empire of Japan was Hirohito. Number 9. Hiroshima is on the island of Honshu. 10. Japan is made up of several islands in the Pacific Ocean. Answers are marked here. Just mark in your textbook also and learn. Next, D. Cancel the wrong alternative in each. 1. Japan lies to the east-west of the Asian mainland. So, you need to strike west. 2. Earthquakes seldom often occur in Japan. So, strike seldom. 3. Winter in Japan is very cold, mild. So, strike cold. 4. Rice, wheat is the chief food crop of Japan. Answer, strike wheat. 5. Japan imports, exports iron and coal. So, strike export. 6. The Japanese drink a lot of tea, coffee. Strike coffee. 7. Japan was with against the Allies in the Second World War. Strike against. Number 8. The old name of Tokyo was Yado, Nippon. Strike Nippon. Next, United Kingdom. A. Write true or false next to each statement. 1. Hyde Park is in London. True. Number 2. Little Britain is a seaport of the United Kingdom. False. 3. Newcastle is famous for coal mining. True. Number 4. The national flag of UK is called the Union Jack. True. 5. All the members of the House of Lords are called peers. False. 6. Great Britain consists of England, Wales and Scotland. True. 7. The English Channel separates England from the rest of Europe. True. Next is B. Connect the following by writing the correct letter in the box. Number 1. Westminster Abbey. Answer is D. The burial ground of kings of England. So, answer D. Number 2. Sir Robert Walpole. Answer is F. F. First Prime Minister of England. Number 3. Windsor Castle. A. Royal residence. Number 4. Great Britain. Answer is E. Is an island. Number 5. Greenwich. Answer is C. Is a famous observatory. Number 6. John Keats. Answer G. Was a young poet. Number 7. Fleet Street. Answer B. Headquarters of newspapers. Next is C. Put a tick mark next to each correct answer. Number 1. Queen Elizabeth was crowned in the year 1953. So, this is Queen Elizabeth. Number 2. London is on the river Thames. 3. The national emblem of the United Kingdom is rose. Number 4. The only sovereign state with which the United Kingdom shares a land border is Northern Ireland. Next is France. A. Put a tick mark next to each correct answer. 1. The national emblem of France is the lily. True. 2. France is the largest European country. False. 3. The main agricultural product of France is wheat. True. Number 4. Orly is the main airport of France. True. 5. The Eiffel Tower is made entirely of steel. True. See, this is the Eiffel Tower. 5. Napoleon Bonaparte was the last king of France. False. 7. The French national flag is called the tricolor. True. Next is B. Put a tick mark next to each correct answer. 1. The tenure of office for a senator is 9 years. 2. Paris is situated by the famous river Seine. Number 3. The port of Bordeaux is famous for wines. Next, C. Connect the following by writing the correct letter in the box. 1. French Riviera. Answer is D. Is along the Mediterranean Sea. 2. Versailles. Answer is A. Is famous for the royal palace. 3. Notre Dame. Answer G. Is a church in Paris. 4. The Bastille. Answer is E. Is a state prison. 5. Louvre. Answer is C. Contains Leonardo's Mona Lisa. Number 6. Monte Carlo. Answer is F. Is famous for car racing. 5. Marseilles. Answer is H. Is famous for its port. 8. Pont du Gard. Answer is B. Is an aqueduct in France. Next is Italy. A. Write true or false next to each statement. 1. Fiat cars are basically Italian. True. 2. The Vatican is the capital of Italy. False. 3. Genoa is the leading seaport. True. 4. Mount Etna is a volcanic mountain in Italy. True. 5. Milan is an industrial center. True. 6. The chief occupation of Italians is fishing. False. 7. Italy is a leading exporter of coal. False. Next is B. Put a tick mark next to each correct answer. A. Galileo was a leading astronomer. 2. Which is the official book of Italy? Green Book. 3. Rome is built on the banks of river Vistula. 4. The Republic Day of Italy is June 2. 5. The famous scientist Alessandro Volta was a physicist. Next is C. Connect the following by writing the correct letter in the box. A. 1. Benito Mussolini. Answer is E. Founder of the fascist party. 2. Dante. Answer A. Was the leading Italian poet. 3. Leonardo da Vinci. Answer is G. The Last Supper. 4. Christopher Columbus. C. Was a great navigator. 5. Alps. Answer is B. Separates Italy from the rest of Europe. 6. Turin. Answer is D. Is a famous Italian city. 7. Vatican. F. Headquarters of the Catholic Church. Next is Australia. A. Fill in the blanks with suitable words from the box. 1. Sydney is the largest city of Australia. Largest. 2. Canberra is the dash city of Australia. Capital. 3. The Tasmanian devil is a dash. Answer. Carnivorous animal. 4. The laughing jack is a dash. Bird. 5. Australia leads the world in the production of dash. Wool. 6. Australia's chief mineral is dash. Coal. Next is B. Cancel the wrong alternative in each of the following. 1. Australia is the 6th, 7th largest continent in the world. Strike 6. 2. Australia lies between the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Atlantic Ocean. Strike Atlantic Ocean. 3. The Great Barrier Reef is a help hazard to navigation. Strike help. 4. Dollar, pound is the Australian currency. Strike pound. 5. Simpson, Gibson, Tanami and Great Victoria are names of rivers, deserts in Australia. Strike rivers. Next is C. Put a tick mark next to each correct answer. 1. When India has winter, Australia has summer. 2. The national bird of Australia is emu. 3. The principal crop of Australia is wheat. 4. The kangaroo maintains its balance with its tail. 5. The discoverer of Australia belonged to Holland. 6. The original natives of Australia are known as Aborigines. 7. The national animal of Australia is kangaroo. 8. The state religion of Australia is no state religion. Okay, children, with this today's session is over. Remaining we will see in the next class. Write them in the notebook and learn them also. Thank you.